the ultimate whole life insurance guide for beginners. Cash value in whole life insurance, what you need to know. Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of insurance to discuss a topic that's crucial for financial planning and security: whole life insurance quotes. If you've ever wondered how to get the best coverage to protect your loved ones, you're in the right place. I'm your host, Daniel, and I'm here to guide you through the intricacies of whole life insurance, explain how it works, and most importantly, reveal the secrets to finding the best whole life insurance quotes. What is whole life insurance? Before we dive into the world of quotes, let's get a solid understanding of what whole life insurance is. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that provides lifelong coverage. Unlike term life insurance, which lasts for a specific term, whole life insurance covers you for your entire life. But here's the kicker: it also serves as an investment. Part of your premium goes into a cash value account, which can grow over time. Now let's talk about how you can find the best whole life insurance quotes. Importance of whole life insurance. Whole life insurance isn't just about protecting your loved ones, it's also a financial planning tool. Here are a few reasons why you might consider whole life insurance. Why choose whole life insurance? 1. Lifetime coverage. It's a policy that lasts for your entire life, so your beneficiaries are guaranteed a payout. 2. Cash value. As the policy builds cash value over time, which you can borrow against or withdraw. 3. Tax benefits. The death benefit is generally tax-free, and the cash value grows tax-deferred. 4. Financial security. It can act as a safety net for your family, covering funeral expenses and debts. How to get whole life insurance quotes. Getting whole life insurance quotes isn't rocket science, but it does require a bit of research and a clear understanding of your needs. Here's how to get started. Guidelines for obtaining whole life insurance quotes. 1. Determine your needs. Calculate how much coverage you need and for how long. 2. Research insurance companies. Look for reputable insurance companies with a strong financial track record. 3. Compare quotes online. Use online quote comparison tools to get estimates. 4. Speak to agents. Reach out to insurance agents to discuss your specific needs and get accurate quotes. 5. Read the fine print. Understand the policy terms and conditions before making a decision. Once you've gathered your quotes, it's essential to compare them carefully. But remember, the lowest quote isn't always the best option. The coverage and the company's reputation matter too. Factors affecting whole life insurance quotes. Now let's take a closer look at the factors that can influence your whole life insurance quote. Key factors influencing whole life insurance quotes. 1. Age. The younger you are, the more favorable your premium rates become. 2. Health. Your current health condition plays a significant role. Smokers and individuals with health issues may have higher premiums. 3. Coverage amount. The more coverage you need, the higher your premiums. 4. Cash value. If you want to build cash value quickly, you'll need to pay higher premiums. Understanding these factors is key to finding the right policy and, quote, shopping for the best whole life insurance quotes. Okay, now it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty of finding the best whole life insurance quotes. Let's dissect this into practical steps. Steps to find the best whole life insurance quotes. 1. Gather multiple quotes. Cast a wide net to get a variety of quotes. 2. Consult an agent. Speak to an experienced insurance agent who can tailor a policy to your needs. 3. Read reviews. Check online reviews and customer feedback to gauge the reputation of the insurance company. 4. Understand policy terms. Carefully read through the policy terms and ask questions to clarify any doubts. 5. Compare total costs. Don't focus solely on premiums. Take into account the coverage, cash value, and potential dividends. 6. Consider riders. Some policies offer riders that can enhance your coverage. Evaluate these options. Understanding whole life insurance costs. Let's delve deeper into understanding the costs associated with whole life insurance. Understanding whole life insurance costs. 1. Premiums. This is the cost you pay regularly. It can be higher than other types of insurance, but it's fixed for the life of the policy. 2. Cash value. Part of your premium goes into a cash value account, which can be borrowed against or used later. 3. Dividends. Some policies pay dividends, which can be used to reduce premiums or increase the cash value. So when you're comparing quotes, make sure you're considering all these costs. Whole life versus term life insurance. Another common question is whether to choose whole life insurance or term life insurance. Whole life insurance offers lifelong coverage, cash value, and premium that stays constant. It's a long-term financial planning tool. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific term, typically at lower premiums. It's a good choice for short-term needs. The choice between these two depends on your financial goals and needs. Whole life insurance might be a better fit if you're looking for a long-term investment. Tips for a smooth application process. Before you apply for whole life insurance, here are some tips to ensure a smooth application process. Guidance for a seamless insurance application. 1. Gather required information. Have your personal and medical information ready. 2. Be honest. Provide accurate information on your application to avoid complications later. 3. Choose beneficiaries. Carefully designate beneficiaries who will receive the death benefit. 4. Review the policy. Read the policy documents carefully before signing. Now that you're well informed, let's wrap things up. Conclusion. Whole life insurance quotes are a critical part of your financial planning journey. It's all about securing your loved one's future and creating a financial safety net for yourself. Remember, it's not just about finding the cheapest quote, it's about finding the right coverage for your unique needs. If you found value in this video, please show your support by liking it, subscribing to our channel, and enabling notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative videos on financial planning, insurance, and much more. Until we meet again, take care and ensure your financial well-being.